previously on Val's Curious Compass.
I don't know what this is yet. It's really hard, whatever it is. Looks like there's a rim. Maybe it's a old can, or it can't be because it would bend. This doesn't even bend. Maybe it's... That looks old. It's got some ridge work. It's got some initials right there. I need to clean that up. Guys, we're going to do a test. We're going to do a scratch test on our piece here we found. I truly think this is a piece of silver. There's a rim here. There's some little etch work here. There's some writing there. You can barely see it, but it looks like there's maybe some writing in it. And then the sound too. So this is a silver quarter. I'll show you how that sounds. And then this is this piece. It's a little bit different, but I feel like I hear something in there. So we're gonna do a scratch test on both the silver quarter and the piece we found metal detecting today, so we can see, you know, if it is truly silver. So to do a scratch test, you need, of course, a precious metal testing kit. And then what you're going to do is do a little line on your testing stone. You can do, it says to do like a 1-inch line. We're just going to kind of give it a little scratch, and then we're going to do this one too. Let's get a nice big thick line there. All right, and then this is our silver. It's kind of worn down. There was some leakage in there in the kit, but it's a silver testing kit. So you're gonna put 1 drop on it, and it's gonna give us a color in just a few moments of what each one is. So we're gonna do 1 drop on the nickel, the quarter, and then 1 drop on the little piece we found metal detecting. I think we need some, all right. So, as you can see, let's look at the book first and tell us, let's see what it tells us. So it tells us if it's red, bright red, it's 0.999 fine silver. If it's dark red, it's 0.925 silver. If it's like a brown, then it's 0.800 silver. And if it's green, it's 0.500 silver. So remember that the top one was the, there you can kind of see the color there. And this, that looks green, that's our quarter. And then this is our little piece we found metal detecting. To me, that looks like a dark brown, which would indicate that this is 0.800 silver. So I did look that up to see what 0.800 silver is used for, and it is used for like silverware, and then dish, you know, probably certain. So this might be like part of a serving dish or something that just, but it is really tough. You cannot bend it. It's strong. So we got a piece of silver today, y'all. It's 0.800 silver. I don't think it's worth a whole lot, but still, it is a precious metal. So cool. Thank you for watching.